Hey guys, welcome back to Sunday Potluck. I'm going to be making a recipe out of the second edition of the WHBC cookbook called chicken pot pie. Now, everybody's had chicken pot pie. You can tell with my voice, my nasally sounding. We've been sick in the house, and so chicken pot pie just sounds really good. And it's that time of year that chicken pot pie is just a great dish. I have probably messed up. And I'm trying to fix my camera. Whoop. Okay, so I've probably messed up, and I think I was looking at 2 different recipes whenever I went to the store earlier, but I think I can salvage everything. So you're gonna need 3 pounds of chicken, and this is what I messed up on. So another recipe I was looking at said they used a rotisserie chicken, and so I was like, oh, that'd be easy, quick, done. So I got a rotisserie chicken, and I was cutting it up, and I'm reading through the recipe, and I got to boil onion and celery with my chicken. So this is not the recipe that called for a rotisserie chicken, but we're going to use the rotisserie chicken anyway. I've got my onion and celery boiling in my chicken broth as we speak. So you're going to need 3 pounds of chicken, a frozen bag of peas and carrots, a frozen 1 cup of frozen onion and celery. I didn't find that, so I just cut up fresh onion and celery, and you can do that. A cup of milk, 4 tablespoons of flour, 3 boiled eggs, approximately 3 cups of chicken broth, and 2 pie crusts. And she said that she uses the already done pie crust because she doesn't put, or not already done, I'm sorry, the roll it out pie crust, because she puts it in a 2-quart casserole dish instead of a traditional pie pan. And I like this because I've got a lid for this. I don't have a lid for my pie pan, so we can eat as much of it as we need, or as little as we need, and I've got a lid, and it makes everything that much more perfect. So it says to place chicken, onion, and celery in a large pan and cover it with water. Boil until tender. I've already got my chicken done, and I'm boiling the onion and the celery now. It says reserve broth, deboned chicken. Again, already done. And then it says whisk the flour and the milk together. So I'm going to whisk flour and milk together. This is 4 tablespoons of flour. So that is done. Okay, and then okay, so this is really kind of easy. So I'm going to go ahead and set that over there. And I'm reading through as I'm doing this, y'all. Sorry, I'm kind of, I'm out of practice. It's been a while since I've done a video. So all my stuff is, my brain is not functioning. That and being sick is just, your brain doesn't function well. Or mine doesn't function well when I'm sick. I don't know about y'all. Okay, so it says to roll the pie crust to fit the dish. And these you don't have to roll out because it's already rolled. You just gotta find scissors to cut the top off. So I was telling my sister earlier today what I was doing, and she says that sometimes she will cut her pie shell into lattice work because she's like, it's all done, everything in it's cooked. So she says sometimes I'll do the top crust into a lattice. Now I don't know how that's gonna work with that, because that, well, I guess it kind of, we'll stretch it a little bit. Okay, so, and then we'll, I don't know, we're just gonna make this work, y'all, because I really want this for dinner, and we're just gonna make it work. Okay, so Okay, there's that one. Okay, and it says place the chicken in the crust. And I did, this is like 1.5 rotisserie chickens, so you don't have to, I'm probably not going to use all of this chicken, just because, yeah, I'll use this for like chicken salad or something, or make another meal with it. Okay, so I'm going to do that, and I took out, most of that is the chicken, I'm trying to think. It's chicken, I can't think, y'all. I don't know how tender those are. Let me get them. Okay. Well, that's boiling, so that's hot. Duh, Christy. So a lot of time, or whenever I was cutting up the celery earlier, it made me think of Thanksgiving. I don't know why. Well, I guess I only really cook celery when we're doing, turkey and dressing. That's what this smells like, turkey and dressing. I'm trying to get a thing to see how tender it is, but it's not very tender. They're kind of crunchy, but yeah, it's still crunchy. Okay, so I'm gonna put this to boil, and then I'll be back. I'm just gonna let that boil, and we'll finish doing this. So then it says to put one package of frozen peas and carrots. It could be canned. This is just a 12-ounce bag of frozen peas and carrots. It's a lot of peas and carrots, but that's okay. I like veggies in this stuff. Okay, so this is probably gonna spill out because I don't know if you can tell, the shell is not all the way up here like it is here. So we're just gonna, it's gonna be good, because it's gonna be good. Okay, so put the peas and carrots over the chicken, add salt and pepper to taste. Pepper, a lot of pepper on it, and then just a little bit of salt, because people can put how much ever salt they want to on it. My nose, y'all. Pepper got it to me. Okay. I'm going to, I don't know what I'm supposed to do with the onions and the celery. It's supposed to have been down there with the chicken, I think. But I don't know. Okay, it also says to place chopped boiled eggs on top. Y'all, I'm not doing that. I'm not putting hard-boiled eggs in my my chicken pot pie. I'm sorry. I probably should, but I'm not gonna do that. It's just a little too weird for me. Okay, so here's what I'm gonna do. I'm going to take these, and I'm just gonna do this. And there's a fly flying around. Okay, I'm gonna sprinkle that on there. Try to get as much of them out as I can. Probably not gonna get them all out, because I'm not gonna, well, I could get them all out if I did that. Here, let me do that. I'm sorry. I'm thinking faster than my brain is talking. So, whew, that's hot. Okay. We got this bowl right here. And I'm just going to strain all of those into there. That works. Look, y'all, I'm smart sometimes. Okay. It said a cup, but I didn't measure. So that's probably a cup, a little less, a little more. I don't know. Okay, so this was already boiling. And it says to take your milk mixture and pour it into your milk and flour mixture and pour it into your chicken broth. So this is the 3 cups of chicken broth. And pour it in here. Then you're going to put this in a oven at 350 and you're going to bake it for an hour or until it's browned. I don't know if I'm going to use all of this broth because I'll just fill it up until it hits that the top of this shell. Okay, so it says add salt and pepper of desired, place chopped boiled eggs on top. Not doing that. Pour the gravy mixture on top and cover ingredients. That I will do. Here. This is splashed over. Okay. Well, we're gonna, you know what? It's just gonna get underneath it. That's fine. It's gonna go because of that looks really good though. Okay, I'm not using all of that chicken broth. I probably could, but I'm not gonna. Okay, and then I'm going to roll this one out, and then I'm gonna put it in an oven at 350 for 1 hour. And then when you get it out, you're supposed to brush the crust with butter and let it sit for about 15 minutes before serving. So I'm going to, you know what? I think I'm gonna do what my little sister said that she does. Is I'm gonna make it, I don't know, I like the crust though. It would have been easier if it was in a round dish, but like I said, sorry. Like I said earlier, yeah, the other just didn't work. Okay, so I'm just gonna do it like that. We'll do it like this, and we'll have the extra crust. I'll roll it down because I like crust. It's not the prettiest chicken pot pie, but that's my fault, not the recipe's fault. Crust on that side. Just because I'm janky. Yeah. We're just gonna do that. Y'all can hear Marianne because she's still awake because she did not take a nap yet and was not gonna. Like, I could have made this so much prettier than what this is, y'all. I'm sorry that this is not super pretty. I'm sorry. This is my fault. I need to be better. But I'm not better today, so I'm just gonna add no, I'm not gonna do that. Okay. There. So this is what this is gonna look like for right now. And I'm gonna put it in the oven, and I'll get back to you in just a little while. Alright guys, so the chicken pot pie is out of the oven, and look at that. So good. Still smoking just a little bit because it's still a little warm. I turned the oven off and then just left it in the oven for a little while because I had some other stuff that I needed to get done anyway. So it's been sitting in the oven for a little bit. But this is what because it's not too hot. This is what it looks like. The crust probably could have gotten a little bit browner, a little bit more done, but it works for me. So here it is. Well, there it went. But anyways, here it is. It has a good flavor. I I put cream of chicken soup in mine, so it's a little bit more, the liquid, I couldn't think of the word. The liquid is a little bit more thick with mine, but this is really good. We'll make this again for sure. So, if you liked the video, I know it was crazy, weird, whatever. But if you liked it, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to Sunday Potluck, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and then hit the little bell notification so that you'll get the next time I do a video, you'll get that video. And yeah, I will see you later. I will put a video down somewhere. There'll be a link and then a video, or link in a video. I'm not sure how it goes, but anyways, I'll link another video to this video, and so you can see another video. So I'll see y'all later. Bye.